Bargain Hunt is back on BBC One with auctioneer and presenter Christina Trevanion fulfilling her hosting duties. The 41-year-old is known for starting her own auctioneers and valuers called Trevanion and Dean, based in Shropshire. She founded the company with Aaron Dean, having previously worked at the prestigious auctioneer house, Christie's. Aaron left the business after 4 years following a decision to move to the northwest. Christina bought out Aaron's share of the business and has since employed new staff. Christina and Aaron met while studying at university before embarking on starting their own auction house in 2014. The Whitchurch Herald reported Christina as saying, "I have been delighted to welcome lots of friendly new faces to Trevanion and Dean. We are fully committed to continuing to be able to offer the people of Shropshire, Cheshire, Wales and the surrounding area the high levels of customer service they expect from their local auction house, while providing them with an international platform on which to offer their treasured possessions." Don't miss: Corey's Daniel Brocklebank absolutely devastated over co-star's exit. Insight: Dan Wootton demands King withdraw Harry's invitation to coronation. Video: Emmerdale's Scott Windsor to return as fans spot telling clue. Discussion: when it comes to TV work, Christina has appeared on a number of BBC daytime TV shows as an expert in antiques. Her notable credits include Antiques Road Trip, Put Your Money Where Your Mouth Is and Flog It. Christina went to school in Cheshire before choosing to study at Southampton Solent University. She is married with 2 daughters and gave some insight into family life away from the small screen. She explained, "I am married with 2 children and a dog called Welly. Life is pretty noisy, hectic and good fun. Technically, I collect 18th century teapots and 1970s glass, but hate boundaries, so will buy with my heart and if I like it, he'll have it, coffers dependent." This has resulted in a very eclectic collection including some rather bizarre finds. Bargain Hunt airs on BBC One on weekdays from 12:15 p.m.